What's up, guys? My name is Cornelius Robinson, and this is Overshoot. Today we're going to be starting a new project. So let's jump right into it. New blank project. Okay, so today I'm going to be building a boost converter with two output voltages. So let's get started. I have a boost converter IC. We're just going to drag that in. Okay, great. Now I need 22 microhenry inductor. There we go. Perfect. Let's just line this up. I'm also going to pull in a 4.7 microfarad capacitor. And a Schottky diode. Let's grab this one. Now these are all parts that I've created previously, but if you watch some of my other videos, you'll see it's not too hard to create new parts if you can't find the right ones. So as you can see, it's really just as simple as clicking each point that we want to connect. Flux has made this super simple. Okay, at this point I want to pull in a couple of other components. I'm going to pull in a couple of resistors for a resistor divider. That way we have the right voltage going to our feedback resistor, or feedback input. $174 ohm. If you've created projects in Flux before, this is probably not completely new to you. But hopefully this helps. Let's get a 10 picofarad capacitor while we're at it. Also, a little trick, a little tip. If you select a component and you're not sure if the connection is where it needs to be, when you select the component, you can see these blue traces, these blue lines, and that shows you what this component is connected to, which is very helpful. In addition to pulling in parts, we can also just copy and paste. Makes it a little bit faster. You know what? I'm going to rotate this. Okay. Actually, let's move this up a bit. And we can also flip the part as well. Perfect. I'm just going to grab a ground symbol real quick. Oops, I still have my filter on. Try that again. There we go. Make sure we connect our ground so that they're on the same net. Okay, and I think we're just about there. For the purposes of the PCB layout, I'm going to add a couple of terminals. Let's flip that. So this will be our input voltage. We'll just rename that over here on the right. So we'll name it V-in. Well, actually let's name it plus 5 volts. And we already have our reference to ground. But I'm going to connect that terminal anyway, because we might need it in the PCB layout. Here we go. We'll just add a couple more. This is going to be positive 12 volts. This will be our negative 12 volts. Okay, and I think that does it for the schematic. Next we can move over to the PCB. Oh, actually real quick, let's rename this so that we know what it is. I'll just name this negative 12-volt boost converter. There. Alright, in the next video I will tackle the PCB and show you guys how to set that up. So make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.